Hey guys, this is Mark from Fiend Tech here, and first I would like to say, May the 4th be with you. Okay, so today we have another graphic design tutorial. Today we will be using the software Gimp. If you do not already own this software, I would highly recommend it. It's extremely powerful, and best of all, it is free. So I haven't actually been doing that many graphic design tutorials recently, so if you enjoy them, please do not forget to to let me know. So I'm going to be showing you how to do this graphic which you see on screen here, which is the starburst effect. Now I have used this in many different backgrounds that I've designed, and it is a very handy feature to know. So first what we're going to do is just open up a new blank template. So then you go into filters, distorts and blinds, and then you get this little window open up, and you should be able to play around with this a bit. Now I do apologize for any slowness here, but the recording software on my computer does certainly slow Gimp down a lot. So I will just try and open up another new one because that didn't seem to work there. Yeah, that seems okay. Okay, so filters, distorts, blinds, and I'll just play around with this a bit. And what this does is just gets you the lines that you're gonna want in your image. So what I'm actually going to do here is, since my software is struggling to work, I will just undo it on this one and show you what I did. So what you do is go into filters, distorts, blinds, and then displacement shows you the distance between the blinds and how spread out they are, and you can put it to vertical or horizontal. Then you have number of segments, which is simply the number of lines on the screen, and this is the effect you get with the stripe pattern. Now you can fill these a different color, so for example, if I click here, change it to blue, then I could change all these to blue by just selecting the fill bucket and clicking on them. So that is how you pick the colors for your I accidentally filled the wrong bit in there. Yeah, so that is how you pick the colors. So then I could say put the black one to red, and you can see here the blue and red color scheme. So I will just quickly do the rest of these for you, and there you go. So then what you do is filters, distort again, but this time you're going to polar coordinates. Now you can see here the starburst effect is already in the preview. Now you can toggle around with these features. So circle depth percent basically moves it into this. So if you put it at full, it's a circle, and then it slowly goes closer to a square, and then it will become the square if you put it right down to 0. Then offset angle, you can see it kind of spins around there. Map backwards changes it round. Now you need to make sure two polar is selected, because you can see what happens if you deselect that. So I'm going to do map from the top and two polar. Then when I select OK, you can see I have it here. Now if you just want a small version of this, what you can do is layer, new layer, make sure it's the same size, and drag it down so that it's underneath your background layer. Then you're going to want to fill this new layer in a random color, so I will do mine green and fill the layer. Then on this one, what you can do is trying to remember, you can go into layer and then yeah, scale layer. So then what you do is just, oh sorry, I'm doing this on the wrong layer. Go back onto your foreground, which is the starburst, and go into layer boundary size, and just basically do that. Resize your layer. Sorry, my software is duffing up again. So layer, scale layer, then just bring it down to the size you want it. I'm going to need it bigger than that. Okay, and then you can see you have it here, and then just grab your move tool and you can move that about, so you could have, say, one in the top corner, like that. So that is just to show you how you can use this move it about. Now what you could also do is grab on your little tool here, and you could do this and make all these bits blend in with the background, which I find looks quite cool. And after this I will go and give you an example of where I have used this effect. So there you go, it fits in with the background quite nicely there. So if I just quickly head over to where's your YouTube picture? YouTube should be in here. Here was a YouTube background I made, and you can see I used the starburst effect in the circle here just to give you an idea, and then I put my name on one of the legs of it. If I can find any more, I actually did a video where I used the starburst effect in, yep, here is the one that I did the video for, a channel called Loopy, and I put the starburst effect there. So this is very handy if you regularly do design work. It's a really cool effect to have, and as you saw with the different ways you could toggle it, it does not have to look in this standard generic shape. So that is a handy skill to have in your arsenal. So the starburst effect, just to quick recap, not clap, distort blinds toggle, then distort filters distort blinds, then filters distort polar coordinates, which is the important part. So again, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I do have tons more videos like this, and I also cover lots of different tech topics. So if you're involved in graphic design, technology, photography, any of that stuff, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So let me know either in the comments or by liking if you'd like to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, see you.